clapping. Thank you. I brought a violin, otherwise known as a guitar, transitioning into a woman. There we go. I've been playing violin for 18 years. I played at my grandmother's deathbed right before she told me to stop. One time I got yelled at for flicking a booger on the floor in the 5th grade. It was embarrassing because I was aiming for my teacher's face. Don't wear Diva Cup and Uber. Sorry, that joke is kind of dated. Don't ride an Uber, you'll get molested. Okay. One time my mom caught me skinny dipping in a pond. She threw me back. Oh! When I die, I want to become a cadaver. So college boys will touch me again. Consensually this time, hey! Zumba. I don't know, I just like Zumba. Thank you. I'm also a recipient of this grant, and not as good of a... Anyway, I just want to dance. When I was in Ohio, I was a dancer. Okay, stripper. My stage name was Worm. Because I'd only come out if you make it rain. You know what I'm saying? That rain. It's an animal fact. It's new to the Californians. That and if you cut me in half, I won't die. Okay, that's the way. Worm facts. I didn't dance how all the other girls danced. Everybody else did like a sexy fireman down the pole, you know, just, you know, she's my cherry pie, you know, that kind of. But not me, because I'm an artist. So I would scuttle across the stage like a crab, just look at it. You don't want this, Ohio crab. You know? Dudes would give me dollars, I would just eat them like fucking. So. But I don't do that stuff anymore. I just play the violin. I keep it PG. So this next song is dedicated to dicks. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you specifically. That was an impression of her mom, actually, isn't it? Sorry, okay, that was mean. Okay, I'll stop. I'm nice, okay? I'm gonna play something really nice for you guys. It's called Dad's Rhapsody. My dad is an aerospace engineer. He designs jet engines to reduce noise pollution. Noise pollution could cause people to go deaf. Though not a lot of people hear about it. I want to make a violin album. It's me practicing these same 4 notes over and over again. And marketed it to dead kids' parents, you know. Do you miss your kid now? Sorry. We're all gonna be somebody's dead kid someday, okay? Yes, I was hissing at the light. Thank you. Thank you so much. Off to the heavens. I'm going to hell. That's fine. This last little number, this is just an exercise that helped limber my fingers back up after a tragic ice sculpture accident that broke my fingers, which made it very difficult to masturbate. And so, this is a little exercise. And just like you exercise both sides of the human body, you gotta exercise both sides of the violin body, like this. Okay. So we do it. So we do it on TikTok. Okay. So this song's dedicated to Emily Bennett, the first chair violinist, all 4 years of high school. Suck on this, Bill. Sometimes people clap over the hard part. That's okay. Go. I messed up. It's fine. She goes on. Oh my God, my butthole gets so clenched at that part. It's looks maxing. Thrash. Ohio. That's it. I'm Kristen Lundberg. Thank you so much.